Did you know that the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is actually a better buy than the Honda HR-V? It is true. Corolla Cross gets way better fuel efficiency, and it's just a better buy in general. You'll find out why when we get into the details. This crossover is back again for another model year in both gasoline and hybrid options, with the hybrid obviously getting way better fuel efficiency. So if you're ready to start driving it right now, check out the links below to figure out which model is best for you. Let's get into the basics of the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross. So you're gonna have 6 different trims to choose from, 3 hybrid and 3 gas. And that means you can choose better fuel efficiency, all-wheel drive, whatever you want, you've got options. Want the latest Corolla Cross news? Don't forget to hit that bell button to subscribe. And now follow me as we get into the exterior of this crossover. The 2026 Corolla Cross has a bold, clean design that's right for you. You're gonna have multiple grille options, whether you choose gas or hybrids. You've got options. You're gonna get alloy wheels that come in different colors, designs, sizes this year. You've got the crisp LED lighting that we love in the front and the back. And you're gonna get 11 eye-catching paint colors like this one, including 4 two-tone options that really bring out the sporty style. You'll also get options like black rocker body panels and over fenders on some models, as well as the option of black or chrome badging like this. This is the Hybrid XSE. It has blacked out badging. We love it. It really pops against the paint. For all our adventurers out there, we've got roof rails as well as a sporty rear spoiler that really rounds out the personality of this crossover. All right, let's climb into the interior to see what it's like behind the wheel. The first thing that I notice when I get inside the 2026 Corolla Cross is how spacious it actually is. It doesn't look like it from the outside, but it can easily seat 5 in the cabin. You've got features like fabric or soft tech seats with optional leather accents on some models, and some models have this beautiful contrasting stitching. You're also going to have dual zone air conditioning and rear seat vents in the back, which is super important for those Florida summers to keep everyone comfortable. But you're also going to have the option of heated front seats and a heated steering wheel on some models if you're heading somewhere chillier. You're going to have up to a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster for all of your important information and any warning messages. And some models even come with paddle shifters to give you complete control over your drive time. All right, so another important feature, cup holders. Everyone can bring their drinks along for the ride. So you've got 6 cup holders throughout the cabin. And you've got extra versatility in the back here because the rear seats actually split 60-40 and fold flat to give you more cargo space. You might not need that extra cargo space though, because you are gonna have over 24 cubic feet of cargo space back here, plus the option of a cargo tonneau cover for extra privacy. All right, you've seen the exterior, you've seen the interior. Now we're gonna take it for a test drive so you can see what it's like to actually take it out on the road. All right, so taking the 2026 Corolla Cross for a test drive. I love this Toyota personally. It's a lot more fun than its sedan counterpart, the original Corolla, to drive, but it doesn't have the bulk of a big SUV, so it's really easy to maneuver and handle and park. To worry about size. We are driving the Hybrid XSE right now, so you're going to get incredible fuel efficiency, obviously, but it's also really quiet inside the cabin. You don't hear a lot of engine noise. I would definitely take this one home. Okay, so we took it for a test drive. You know what it's like out on the road. Now let's talk about performance in more detail. So like we said, you're gonna have both hybrid and gas options for the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross. Gas gets up to 32 miles per gallon combined, and you've got a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine under here that gets up to 169 horsepower and 151 pounds per foot torque. So great fuel efficiency on the gas model. But if you really want to save money, the hybrid model gets up to 42 miles per gallon combined. Under the hood, you've got a 2-liter 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain that gets up to 196 horsepower. This year, you're also going to get the option of front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive for better handling in wet weather. And the 2026 Corolla Cross has 8.1 inches of ground clearance to give you a really sporty look. Okay, let's talk about tech. So the 2026 Corolla Cross is packed with tech that you're going to love. You're going to have a Toyota audio multimedia system right here. It gets up to a 10.5-inch screen, and you're going to have features like wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and more. You'll also have the option to upgrade to a 9-speaker premium JBL audio system if you want to take your listening to the next level, plus Qi wireless charging for all of your devices, no cords necessary. So the 2026 Corolla Cross comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. That means you're going to get the whole safety suite, including features like the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, proactive driving assist, and more. You're also going to get Toyota's Star safety system that comes with features like Smart Stop technology. On top of that, there are 9 airbags throughout the cabin, and you're even going to have the latch system back here so you can safely and easily buckle in car seats and booster seats. And last but not least, you are going to have a convenient rear backup camera that makes it super easy to park in tight parking spots. All right, now you know what you need to know about the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross. So which model are you taking home? If you're ready to start shopping, we got you. Check out our online shopper tool, again, in the links below. You can start building your deal, customizing your monthly payment, and more. And don't forget, you can always just come by and take a test drive in the new Corolla Cross. Toyota of Orlando is at 3575 Vineland Road, just off I-4 across from the mall at Millennia.